What's up everyone? In this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to add passport to eVisa in the UK. The first step is to access your UK VI account. You'll need to go to the official UK government website for eVisas, and then you'll need one of the following to log in. You'll need a valid passport and your visa application number, or a valid passport and your biometric residence permit number, or your BRP card. Then select Identity Document. You need to choose BRP or any identity document of your choosing option that you use to create your UK VI account. Then enter your details, input your BRP number and date of birth. Then enter the security code sent to you. After logging in, click on Add a new identity document. Then select Passport by choosing the Passport option. And next you'll need to upload a clear photo of your passport data page. Next, check and submit. Verify the captured details and submit. After this is done, you will receive an email confirming the addition of your passport to your account, after which you can use your passport information to sign in. When this is done, your sign-in details will now use your passport information. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to add a passport to eVisa in the UK.